In this case, it says, how many seconds after being launched will the rocket reach its maximum height? So let's go ahead and highlight what they're giving us. They're giving us seconds. They're also giving us maximum, and they're giving us height. So they're giving us a few things here. Now, in this case, first off, seconds is representing x. So we're looking for a certain x value. Now, whenever we're talking about maximum, the maximum is all maximum or minimum, highest, lowest is always representing the vertex. And height in this case is y. So what they're telling us is what x value is going to give us the maximum height. So in this case, what x value is going to give us the maximum height. So in this case, the vertex has 2 points. We're actually looking for the x coordinate. X coordinate of the vertex. Now, if you guys recall from the beginning of the lessons here, the x coordinate actually represents the axis of symmetry, has the same exact value. In order for us to find the axis of symmetry, we need our x-intercepts. We actually just found our x-intercepts. We found our x-intercepts here. So if we want to find the axis of symmetry or the x-coordinate, we're going to go ahead and take the average of these two x's, which means add both of these and then divide by 2, because that's the total amount of numbers we're adding. All right, so x in this case is going to equal -2 plus 18 divided by 2. Once again, if I had 3 x-intercepts, then I would be dividing by 3. So in this case, -2 plus 18 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So in this case, it takes 8 seconds for the rocket to reach its maximum height. So the x-coordinate here is going to be 8 seconds. 8 seconds. And let's go ahead and do a different color here. Oh, let's do that one. See if you can see it. Oh, we can. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the last one here. And the last one says, what is the maximum height the rocket will reach? Once again, maximum in this case, and they're also giving us height. Maximum in this case, once again, maximum, minimum, highest, lowest represents our vertex. Height in this case represents y. So they're asking us, what is the maximum height? What in this case is our y coordinate? So we're looking for y coordinate. And in order for us to find the y coordinate, we need our x coordinate. So we do have to substitute the axis of symmetry, or AOS, into the original equation. So we're going to go ahead and do h of 8 equals -4 times 8 plus a 2 times 8 minus 18. All right, once again, wherever I saw an x, I substituted our axis of symmetry, which was x equals 8. All right, so h of 8 equals -4. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 minus 18 is -10. All right, so let's go ahead and multiply these out. In this case, guys, 10 times a -10 is -100. -100 times -4 is actually positive 400. So the maximum height the rocket is going to reach is 400 meters. So our y coordinate is 400 meters. 400 meters. All right. So once again, guys, the difficult part here is not actually solving for these, because I could actually bring out my Desmos graphing calculator, and let me actually type the equation in there. I have y equals, once again, I could put h of x, but I don't want to type it out. -4 times x plus 2 times x minus 18. All right, so let's go ahead and just zoom out a bit here. Now let me make it bigger for you guys. All right, there we go. And here is the graph. Now, once again, if you click on the graph, it is going to be giving you all these points, and that actually gives you the main points. Gives you your x-intercept, your y-intercept, and your vertex. So click on it. That's my x-intercept. And if I go back here to x-intercept, that's what we found in the second question. My y-intercept, which was my starting point, is 144, and that is what we found here. And our vertex in this case is 8 and 400. So x-coordinate was 8 and y-coordinate was 400 here. So like I said, guys, the easy part is actually just graphing it. Hard part is identifying whether they're asking us to solve for the y-intercept, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, or x-intercept. So once again, we could use Desmos graphing calculator to graph the equation. Just the hard part is identifying what they want us to find. All right.